How to create logo on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create a logo on Canva. For that, you'll have to open the Canva application on your mobile device, and once on the home page, scroll down until you find Logos section. Here, click on See All to explore all the valuable logo templates. Scroll and explore the templates. Click on the one that suits your needs to start creating a logo. After selecting a template, you can now begin editing. Tap on Photo to edit them. You can add text by tapping on the text tool and typing your desired text here. Then customize your background color by selecting the background and choosing a color. If desired, you can add animations to your logo to make it more dynamic. Once you have customized your logo to your liking, click on the download icon at the top of the screen. Then here you will see download option. Click on it and wait for a while. Your logo will download it to your device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.